Assalamu alaikum boys and girls of class 9th. Today we will start with the glossary. The word aptitude, khudada salahiyat, inherited natural ability. Fundamental, bunyadi, very important. Enormity, zyati, vastness of size, challenging. Overwhelmed, maghloob karna, affected deeply. Pivot, markers, central point. Sterling, bahut acha meyar, of the highest quality. Numerous, beshumar, many. Now we come to question answer session. Question number first one. How much confidence does Qaid-e-Azam have in his nation? The answer is he is very confident about his nation because he believed that his nation was made of sterling material and second to none. Question number two. What was Qaid's concept of our nation? The answer is according to him, we are a nation because we have our own distinctive outlook on life. Question number three. What was the ideology of Pakistan in view of Qaid-e-Azam? The answer is the ideology of Pakistan in view of Qaid-e-Azam was based on the fundamental principle that the Muslims are an independent nation. Question number four. What can be the possible solution to our present problems? The answer is we can solve our present problems only if we understand the concept of nation as given by the Qaid and start thinking beyond personal, local, lingual, ethnic, sectarian or provincial identities and prejudices. Question number five. How can we become a strong nation? The answer is we can become a strong nation by acting upon the Qaid's motto, faith, unity and discipline. Similarly, we can become a great nation by creating unity and harmony among our ranks. Question number six. Why did the Qaid have to take long tours during early days of independence? The answer is the Qaid had to take long tours during early months of independence to build a confidence and to raise people's spirit. Question number seven. Why did the Qaid want the oneness of the whole nation? The answer is the Qaid wanted the unity of the whole nation because it was the key to the nation's progress and prosperity. Question number eight. Are we working according to the expectations of the great leader? The answer is no. We have diverted from the paths shown to us by the father of the nation. Question number 9. What is the result of neglecting the advice of the Qaid? The answer is neglecting the advice of the Qaid has resulted in the disunity and disharmony among our ranks. That is why we are facing so many problems. Now encircle the option for the underlined words that relates to it. Number one, we are a nation. He affirmed 3 years before the birth. The options are told, said emphatically, broken. The right option is B, said emphatically. The Qaid was a man of strong faith and belief. Options are firm faith, powerful faith, wavering faith. The correct option is firm faith. Number C, keep up your morale, wealth, self-esteem and voice. The answer is B, self-esteem. Don't be afraid of death. Attended to. Be scared. C, squared up. The answer is scared. We should face it bravely to save the honor of the Pakistan and Islam. Repair, cope with and correct. The answer is cope with.